wireless keyboards. Are we talking magic or just really smart tech? And let's crack the code, starting with how they actually, work. So you want to ditch the wires, cool. But then you're hit with Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz. It's like choosing between a chill hangout and a speed run. Bluetooth, think of it as that friend who connects to everything, but sometimes forgets where they put their keys, aka lag. And 2.4 gigahertz, that's the super focused friend with the laser pointer, always on point, but needs their own little dongle. Now, batteries, rechargeable, super convenient, just plug it in and you're good to go. But like your phone, you gotta remember to charge it. Disposable batteries, classic, reliable, but you'll be hunting for those AAs or AAAs eventually. And let's be real, no one wants to interrupt their flow to dig through the junk drawer. Think about your lifestyle. Are you a charge it overnight person or a always have spares person? Your battery choice can seriously impact your workflow. Ultimately, it's about finding what works for you. Bluetooth gives you that clean, cable-free look, but you might get a little lag. 2.4 gigahertz is lightning fast, but you sacrifice a USB port. Rechargeable batteries are eco-friendly and convenient, but you gotta charge them. Disposable batteries are always ready, but you'll be contributing to the battery pile. Small wins, small trade-offs, right? So, Bluetooth or dongle life? Rechargeable or battery hoarder? Let me know which wireless warrior you are in the comments. And remember, the best setup is the one that lets you type without pulling your hair out or untangling cables.